Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the best humpback daily exercise routine. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. You may have noticed that many older people have a stooped appearance where their head juts forward, creating a hunchback effect. This abnormal bending of the spine is called Dowager's hump, but the actual medical term for it is kyphosis. It is estimated that the prevalence of kyphosis or Dowager's hump is between 20% to 40% in older adults. The good news is you don't just have to accept having a hunchback, and the pain associated with it. Dowager's hump can be treated, and for some people, it can be cured entirely. Dowager's hump is an outward curvature of the thoracic vertebrae of the upper back. It appears as a rounded hunch that many people refer to as a hunchback. In addition to the bump on the base of the neck, Dowager's hump has a forward head posture where your head is jutting forward. One of the problems with this is that the more forward your head sits, the more stress is placed on the base of your neck. You are thinking, but how much stress does that add? And the answer might surprise you. For every inch that your head protrudes forward from its normal alignment, you add approximately an extra 10 pounds of force on your neck. When you take that force and compound it over months or years, it's no surprise that your spine curvature changes. Bad posture is the leading cause of Dowager's hump, but it's certainly not the only cause. Other possible causes include osteoporosis, a congenital problem, or Scheuermann's kyphosis. No matter the specific underlying cause, Dowager's hump happens as a result of the weakening of muscles around your thoracic spine. When those muscles weaken, other muscles have to do their job for them, putting those additional muscles under constant strain from overuse. If left untreated, a person with Dowager's hump will begin to have pain in their shoulders and neck. Over time, their chin will move closer to their ribcage, and the result can be spinal degeneration. Many people with Dowager's hump experience intense headaches in addition to their neck and shoulder pain. Some people are more bothered by the physical aesthetic of Dowager's hump, while others just want some relief from the pain it causes. A rounded shoulder, or hunchback, is a common posture problem nowadays. It is simply impossible to fix this overnight because bad posture is developed over time. So, to fix it, you would have to be diligent in performing this exercise routine daily to maximize recovery. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Five stretches to get rid of a hunchback, also known as Dowager's hump. 5 very simple stretches will help strengthen the muscles surrounding your thoracic spine and bring your head back into proper alignment. One. Pectoral stretch. This first stretch is designed to stretch out your chest muscles. To do this pectoral stretch, all you need is a door jamb. Place your arms on either side of the door frame, forming a 90-degree angle with each arm. Lean in further and further as you feel your muscles relax. If you find this stretch is too easy, bring your arms higher above the 90-degree position, and try doing the stretch that way. Two. Upper back stretch. This stretch is great for loosening up your muscles. You'll need something to hold on to, so you can simply face a wall, and place your hands flat against it above your head. Keeping neck neutral, sink into the stretch. Be sure not to let your head drop as you're doing this stretch. Focus on keeping your ears in line with your shoulders. After about 10 to 20 seconds and further into the stretch. If you have shoulder problems and it hurts to keep them above your head, you can keep your arms lower. Three. Chin translation. This stretch is designed to improve your posture, by taking that forward head posture that is emblematic of Dowager's hump and bringing it back in line over your body. Pretend your ears and your jaw are on a railroad cart, and it's going to go straight back like a cobra strike. This is not an up or down movement, it's straight back. You can do this stretch just about anywhere to help with your posture. Once you get the hang of it, put 2 fingers behind your head to add some resistance. 4. Prone Y extension. The prone Y extension accomplishes a lot in one exercise. It rotates your shoulders outward, stretches your abdomen, which is normally flexed, stretches your chest, and strengthens your lower back extensor muscles, along with the upper back muscles associated with posture. Lie flat on the floor with your legs shoulder width apart, and your arms extended in a Y over your head. Lift your torso off the ground while simultaneously externally rotating your shoulders, so that your palms are facing upwards. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, then lower down. Repeat for 3 sets of 8 repetitions. Five. Close grip row. The close grip row can be completed seated using a cable machine, or standing using a resistance band. Wrap the resistance band around a stable object at chest level, and walk back a few feet until you feel moderate tension on the band. Your arms should be extended with a slight bend in your knees and feet placed shoulder width apart. Keeping your head up, shoulders back, chest out, back straight, and abs tight, slowly pull the bands toward the sides of your torso while squeezing your shoulder blades. Slowly resist the band until your arms are fully extended. Complete 3 sets of 15 repetitions. Start doing these stretches to take the pressure off your neck and upper back, get rid of headaches, start to improve Dowager's hump. Bad posture is the most common cause of hunchback. With the increased use of smartphones, tablets, and laptops, many people are in a slouched head-forward position for hours a day, not to mention if their desktop computer is not set up ergonomically correct. With a hunchback condition, your head is jutting forward, putting a lot of stress on the base of your neck. To ensure long-term changes, you must become more conscious of posture when standing and sitting. Needless to say, human beings are not designed to sit in an office all day. We are built to move. Getting out of your office chair to walk around several times throughout the day can go a long way. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.